Hi there traders and investors. Today is Tuesday, July 30. I'm happy to greet you online and share a red-hot market review prepared for InstaForex. Yesterday, my trading idea based on the breakthrough strategy worked out well. In the morning today, I was not so lucky. I'm glad to see breakouts. Today, there's an important event for the US dollar. The Federal Open Market Committee is opening its two-day policy meeting. Before that, investors will get to know the ADP employment data, which prefaces official non-farm payrolls. The ADP payrolls processor estimates the number of newly employed people in the U.S. private sector. The NMPs will be released on Friday. Recently, ADP reports look like guesstimate. It's ridiculous because official data often doesn't coincide. I wonder how the market will react. However, the event of major importance is the third policy meeting with a focus on the following press conference. Now let's try to make some trading plans on the grounds of technical charts. Gold comes first. I want to puzzle out why gold is being pushed up for the third day in a row before the third meeting. Curiously, I've detected some downward targets on gold. I have a hunch in the ongoing climb before the meeting could end up in a fall, hitting these targets. I mean, it makes sense to plan short positions because all bullish targets have been already taken. The seller's stop losses have been activated. At the same time, the buyer's stop losses remain untouched for 2 months. It looks like a trap. There are 2 pin bars. It would be logic to expect downward move after the third meeting. What do you think? The euro-dollar pair worked out my trading idea yesterday. I earned 200 bips following the breakthrough strategy. The instrument encountered this level. Oddly, this level is observed on Forex but invisible in the futures market. It is up to you to decide whether you believe in this level and plan for the short positions, or you don't believe in and or betting on a further rise. I mean, there are 2 targets, both up and down. There is also a mirror level upward left. It would be great if the instrument first hits low targets and then rebounds. Then other option is that the price could first go upward and then pierce lows. If you are cautious, you should wait and see which target is hit first. Then you will make your trading plan. The pound sterling is losing ground. Your trading plan depends on which momentum you believe in. If you reckon the pound-dollar pair will rebound, you will make a bullish plan. Let's consider the stop hunting strategy. Yesterday, the instrument reached a peak and left some upward targets. From my viewpoint, the instrument hasn't made the swing high yet on the 4-hour chart, so the overall downtrend is still going on. This trend will be destroyed when the upward extremum is hit with a strong breakout. The price should settle at highs, make a retracement and extend a rise. Under such conditions, we could dream about a bullish trend. I mean, a lot of events should happen before a trend reversal. Let's watch these events. The Australian dollar is now trading at its lows. I'm aware that you want to buy it. For this, we should monitor a speculator swing low. Here it is. This swing low has not emerged yet. The market could move down and encounter another swing low. Otherwise, the price may climb, so we could try to plan long positions at a retracement. The USD-CAD pair is trading at its highs. The bullish momentum is fading on the daily chart. There is a cluster of the buyer stop losses downward. If you are willing to grab this liquidity, you may earn 2,000 pips going short from the current levels. This will hardly happen in one day. I guess the instrument may plunge by 1,000 pips after the third meeting. The dollar-yen pair is approaching its technical resistance. This level is clear to everyone. You may try to hunt for a bearish target setting a take profit of 3,500 pips down and a stop loss of 2,000 pips up. Perhaps you believe in the weakness of the greenback. The US dollar may weaken today or tomorrow after the third policy decision. That's all for today. Once again, be alert to the Fed policy meeting today and the press conference tomorrow. Good luck.